Hello friends, welcome to Swastham, where we're exploring to getting the health. Today in our this video series, we'll start to understand various topics. We'll ensure that you will get information which is quite useful in your competitive exam. So let's move in. Today we'll be covering tonsillitis. Tonsillitis is an inflammation of tonsils caused by bacteria or virus. If we try to understand how does it happen, so it is basically a entry of a pathogens which trigger our mast cells that causes inflammation of tonsils and also increase related symptoms. Etiology. So virus which are responsible for it, they are adenovirus, coronavirus, influenza virus, rhinovirus. Some of the bacteria are also responsible for it, and they are Streptococcus pneumoniae, Mycoplasma pneumoniae, Bordetella, pertussis, Corynebacterium, diphtheria, Treponema pallidum. So this type of virus are also responsible to to cause tonsillitis. Sign and symptoms. Which type of sign and symptoms happen when there is a tonsillitis? Sore throat, wide swollen tonsils, white spots, hoarseness of voice and dysphagia, which is difficulty in swallowing. So this type of sign and symptoms happen during the tonsillitis. Medical and nursing management, if you want to see, then sometimes antibiotics are used like azithromycin, amoxicillin. Symptomatic treatment like analgesics, ibuprofen, acetaminophen is very helpful to decrease the inflammation and decrease the pain. Warm water gargles are also very responsible. If we give a patient a sideline position, it will be very helpful to remove of the secretions which is coming from the tonsils. Tepid sponge. Tepid sponge is important to managing fever. Distinctive effects. Investigations which are happening: throat swabs, complete blood count. Physical examinations have been seen like white spots are present in bacterial tonsillitis and they characterized by gray furry tongue. Complications can cause a quinsy, which is a peritonsillar abscess. If the surgical treatment for tonsillectomy or tonsillitis is tonsillectomy. If it happens or if it is recurrent frequently. Prognosis is very good. Generally, there is no mortality. Yeah, but pain, swelling, difficulty in swallowing is some of the things which we have to deal with it. From for tips we just want to have for examination purpose perspectives. Sometimes it is asked that what is the complication happens with the tonsillitis. If the bacteria are not contained in throat only, they can travel through various other organs and complication of rheumatic fever may occur if not treated appropriately. So this is all information about tonsillitis. Thank you very much.